Welcome! Today, we're diving into the world of meal prepping, a simple yet powerful way to save time, eat healthier, and reduce stress during your busy week. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your routine, this guide will walk you through every step. We'll cover planning, shopping, prepping, and storing your meals so you can enjoy delicious, nutritious food all week long. Let's start by understanding what meal prep really means and why it's become such a popular strategy for busy people everywhere. Meal prepping is the process of planning and preparing your meals ahead of time, usually for the entire week. This approach helps you control your portions, make healthier choices, and avoid the temptation of last-minute takeout. By dedicating a few hours once or twice a week, you can have ready-to-eat meals or ingredients that make assembling dishes quick and easy. Meal prepping is flexible. It can mean cooking full meals, prepping ingredients, or even just portioning snacks. The key is to find a method that fits your lifestyle and goals. Meal prepping offers a range of benefits that go beyond just saving time. It can help you stick to your nutrition goals, reduce food waste, and save money by avoiding unnecessary purchases. With meals ready to go, you're less likely to reach for unhealthy options or skip meals altogether. Plus, having a plan in place can make your week feel more organized and less stressful. Many people find that meal prepping also encourages them to try new recipes and eat a wider variety of foods. Before you start, it's important to set clear goals for your meal prep. Are you looking to save time, eat healthier, manage your weight, or simply reduce stress? Your goals will shape the types of meals you prepare and how you organize your week. Take a moment to think about your schedule, dietary needs, and preferences. This will help you create a meal prep plan that's realistic and sustainable for you. Selecting the right recipes is a crucial step in meal prepping. Look for dishes that are easy to make in bulk, store well, and reheat nicely. Think about meals you enjoy and that fit your dietary needs. It's helpful to choose recipes that use overlapping ingredients to simplify your shopping list and reduce waste. Don't forget to include a mix of proteins, grains, and vegetables for balanced nutrition. If you're new to meal prepping, start with just a few recipes and build from there. Once you've chosen your recipes, it's time to create a meal plan for the week. Decide which meals you'll prep, breakfast, lunch, dinner, or snacks, and how many servings you'll need. Write out your plan, noting which days you'll eat each meal. This helps you stay organized and ensures you have enough variety to keep things interesting. A written plan also makes shopping and prepping much easier. A detailed shopping list is your best friend when it comes to meal prepping. Go through each recipe and list all the ingredients you'll need, including quantities. Organize your list by category: produce, proteins, grains, dairy, and pantry items to make your shopping trip more efficient. Double-check your pantry and fridge to avoid buying items you already have. A well-organized list saves time and helps prevent impulse purchases. With your list in hand, head to the store and pick up everything you need for the week. Stick to your list as much as possible to stay on budget and avoid unnecessary items. Choose fresh, high-quality ingredients and consider buying in bulk for staples you use often. Shopping efficiently sets you up for a smooth meal prep session and ensures you have everything you need to create delicious meals. Before you start prepping, take a few minutes to organize your kitchen. Clear your counters, gather your tools, and set out your ingredients. Having a clean, organized workspace makes the process faster and more enjoyable. Make sure you have enough containers for storing your meals, and label them if needed. Preparation is key to a successful meal prep session. Having the right tools can make meal prepping much easier. Some essentials include sharp knives, cutting boards, measuring cups and spoons, mixing bowls, pots and pans, and storage containers. Invest in good quality containers that are microwave and freezer safe. A slow cooker, instant pot, or air fryer can also be helpful for preparing meals in bulk. With the right equipment, you'll be able to prep efficiently and keep your meals fresh. Start your meal prep by washing, peeling, and chopping your fruits and vegetables. Prepping all your produce at once saves time during the week and makes it easy to assemble meals. You can also portion out snacks like nuts, fruit, or yogurt into individual containers. Prepping ingredients ahead of time means you're always just a few minutes away from a healthy meal or snack. Cooking proteins in bulk is a great way to streamline your meal prep. Grill, bake, or saute chicken, beef, tofu, or fish, and divide them into portions for the week. You can season them differently to keep meals interesting, store cooked proteins in airtight containers in the fridge or freezer, and use them in salads, wraps, grain bowls, or stir-fries throughout the week. Prepare grains like rice, quinoa, or pasta in large batches. These staples can be used in a variety of meals and are easy to store. Once cooked, let them cool before portioning into containers. Grains and starches are versatile and can be paired with different proteins and vegetables for endless meal combinations. Roast, steam, or saute a variety of vegetables to add color, flavor, and nutrition to your meals. Pre-cooked veggies are easy to add to salads, grain bowls, or as side dishes. Store them in separate containers to keep them fresh and prevent sogginess. Mixing up your vegetable choices each week keeps your meals exciting and balanced. Homemade sauces and dressings can elevate your meals and keep them from getting boring. Prepare a few different options, like vinaigrettes, hummus, or yogurt-based dips, and store them in small containers. Having sauces ready to go makes it easy to add flavor to salads, grain bowls, or wraps without extra effort during the week. Once everything is cooked and prepped, it's time to assemble your meals. Divide your proteins, grains, and vegetables into individual containers based on your meal plan. This makes it easy to grab a meal on your way out the door or heat up lunch at work. Portioning also helps with portion control and ensures you have enough food for the entire week. Label each container with the meal, name, and date to keep track of freshness. Store meals in the fridge or freezer, depending on when you plan to eat them. Proper labeling and storage help prevent food waste and make it easy to see what's available at a glance. Stack containers neatly to maximize fridge space. To keep your meals tasting their best, use airtight containers and store them at the right temperature. Most cooked meals last 3 to 5 days in the fridge, while some can be frozen for longer. If you're prepping for the whole week, consider freezing half your meals and moving them to the fridge as needed. This helps maintain freshness and prevent spoilage. Breakfast is often the most rushed meal of the day, making it a perfect candidate for meal prep. Prepare overnight oats, egg muffins, or smoothie packs in advance. Store them in individual containers for a quick, nutritious start to your morning. Having breakfast ready to go helps you avoid skipping this important meal. Lunches can be prepped as salads, grain bowls, or wraps that are easy to take to work or school. Use sturdy greens, cooked grains, and a variety of proteins and veggies. Keep dressing separate until you're ready to eat to prevent sogginess. Prepping lunches ahead of time ensures you have a healthy option ready, no matter how busy your day gets. Dinner meal prep can include casseroles, stir-fries, or sheet pan meals that are easy to reheat. Portion dinners into containers so you can simply heat and eat after a long day. Having dinner ready reduces the temptation to order takeout and helps you stick to your nutrition goals. Don't forget about snacks. Portion out healthy options like cut veggies, fruit, nuts, or yogurt into grab-and-go containers. Having snacks ready helps you avoid unhealthy choices and keeps your energy up between meals. Prepping snacks is quick and can make a big difference in your daily routine. Some meals are perfect for freezing, like soups, stews, and casseroles. Prepare these in advance and store them in freezer-safe containers. Label with the date and meal name, and simply thaw and reheat when needed. Freezer meals are a lifesaver on busy nights or when you need a backup option. When it's time to eat, reheat your meals using the microwave, oven, or stovetop. Add fresh herbs, a squeeze of lemon, or a drizzle of sauce to brighten up flavors. If you're reheating from frozen, thaw meals in the fridge overnight for best results. Serving your prepped meals with a few fresh touches keeps them tasting delicious all week. Meal prepping can feel overwhelming at first, but remember that it gets easier with practice. Start small, prep just a few meals or snacks at first, and gradually build up as you get more comfortable. Celebrate your progress and enjoy the benefits of having healthy, homemade meals ready to go. It's normal to tweak your meal prep routine as you go. Maybe you find certain meals don't reheat well, or you want more variety. Adjust your recipes, portion sizes, or prep days to fit your needs. Flexibility is key to making meal prepping a sustainable habit that works for you. Meal prepping can be a fun family activity. Get kids involved by letting them help wash veggies, portion snacks, or choose recipes. Sharing the workload not only saves time, but also teaches valuable cooking skills and encourages healthy eating habits for everyone. If you have dietary restrictions, meal prepping is a great way to ensure you always have safe, delicious options on hand. Look for recipes that fit your needs, whether you're gluten-free, vegetarian, vegan, or following another plan. Prepping your own meals gives you full control over ingredients and preparation methods. Meal prepping can help you stick to a budget by reducing food waste and limiting takeout. Plan your meals around sales, seasonal produce, and pantry staples. Buying in bulk and using leftovers creatively can stretch your grocery dollars even further. With a little planning, you can eat well without breaking the bank. Meal prepping is an effective way to reduce food waste. By planning your meals and using up ingredients before they spoil, you'll throw away less food, store leftovers properly, and get creative with recipes to use up odds and ends. Every little bit helps the environment and your wallet. Food safety is crucial when meal prepping. Always cool cooked foods before storing, use airtight containers, and keep your fridge at the right temperature. Label meals with dates and use the oldest ones first. Following these guidelines helps prevent foodborne illness and keeps your meals tasting fresh. Kids benefit from meal prepping too. Prepare kid-friendly meals and snacks in advance. like mini sandwiches, fruit cups, or veggie sticks. Let kids help choose what goes into their meals to encourage healthy eating. Having ready-to-eat options makes busy mornings and after-school snacks a breeze. If you're working toward fitness goals, meal prepping can help you stay on track. Plan meals with the right balance of protein, carbs, and healthy fats to support your workouts. Portion your meals according to your calorie needs, and prep snacks that fuel your activity. Consistency is key to seeing results. Meal prepping is a powerful tool for weight loss. By controlling portions and ingredients, you can manage your calorie intake and avoid temptations. Choose recipes that are filling but lower in calories, and prep healthy snacks to curb hunger. Tracking your meals can also help you stay accountable to your goals. If your schedule is packed, meal prepping can be a lifesaver. Choose quick cooking recipes, use shortcuts like pre-chopped veggies, and prep in stages if needed. Even prepping just a few meals or snacks can make a big difference on your busiest days. The key is to make meal prep work for your unique routine. Meal prepping isn't just for families, it's great for individuals too. Prepare single-serving meals and freeze extras for later. Focus on recipes that are easy to scale down and use leftovers creatively. Meal prepping for one helps you eat well and avoid food waste, even if you're cooking just for yourself. Couples can benefit from meal prepping by sharing the workload and enjoying home-cooked meals together. Plan meals you both enjoy and take turns prepping or cooking. Prepping together can be a fun bonding activity and ensures you both have healthy options throughout the week. Meal prepping isn't just for everyday meals, it can also help you prepare for special occasions. Plan and prep dishes ahead for holidays, parties, or gatherings. This reduces last-minute stress and lets you enjoy more time with your guests. Make-ahead appetizers, salads, and desserts are especially helpful for entertaining. After a successful meal prep session, don't forget to clean up. Wash your tools, wipe down counters, and organize your kitchen for the week ahead. A clean kitchen makes it easier to stick to your meal plan and enjoy the fruits of your labor. Plus, it sets you up for a smooth prep session next time. Sometimes, meal prepping doesn't go as planned. Maybe meals get soggy, you run out of containers, or you get bored with your recipes. Don't worry, these issues are common and easy to fix. Try storing dressings separately, investing in more containers, or rotating new recipes each week. With a little troubleshooting, you'll find what works best for you. Keep meal prepping exciting by trying new recipes, exploring different cuisines, or following seasonal trends. Join online communities or follow meal prep blogs for fresh ideas. Staying inspired helps you look forward to your prep sessions and keeps your meals interesting week after week. Meal prepping can be a mindful practice. Take time to enjoy the process, chopping, cooking, and assembling meals with care. Being present during meal prep can reduce stress and help you appreciate the food you're nourishing your body with. Mindful meal prep turns a routine task into a rewarding ritual. Keep track of your meal prep journey by noting what works and what doesn't. Use a journal or app to record your favorite recipes, prep times, and any adjustments you make. Tracking your progress helps you refine your routine and celebrate your successes along the way. Take a moment to celebrate your meal prep achievements. Whether you've saved time, eaten healthier, or tried new recipes, every step counts. Share your progress with friends or family and enjoy the benefits of your hard work. Remember, meal prepping is a journey, and every week is a new opportunity to improve. Meal prepping is a powerful tool for taking control of your nutrition, saving time, and reducing stress. With a little planning and practice, you can make meal prep a regular part of your routine. Start small, stay flexible, and keep experimenting until you find what works best for you. Here's to a week of delicious, healthy meals. Happy prepping!